Good morning, you're watching Michelle Pepper, Stampin' Up Independent Demonstrator in Auckland, New Zealand. I wanted to show you today a little smile card kit. Now card kits are kits that come with all that you need to make cards. So this is a gift card and it comes with the envelopes, the stamp set, ink spot, a stamping block, some twine, and also all the elements that you need to make the little gift cards. Now they are this size, which is not very big. They're really dinky little things. So just as a way of comparison, this is the normal card size that I would use, and this is how big it is. Okay, so today I wanted to show you an alternative project that I have made using these cards. Well, actually using the envelopes mainly, and I have used a couple of cards and some of the elements to create this little mini album. So it's Father's Day today, and I decided that I would use these little gift cards and try and make something out of it that is a keepsake. So we've got the cover, so I have basically copied this design here for a gift card. I have just copied that and put it around here. Just didn't use the twine because it's for my husband and he doesn't quite like twine, although I have included twine in the cards. So when you open it, this is the design. There's a pocket here you can put things in. Second page, and I have, so for example, this is what one of my child have written for their dad. Oh, yeah, try and put it back in. Of course, it's always hard when you're doing a video. You're our blessing. Next one is our day is better because of you. You make big imprints on our hearts. You inspire us. You are the best. Here I was just showing you that you can either use it in the pockets like the others, or I can't decide whether I would actually stick it out there so it's easier for Craig to read it without having to bring it in and out, and then the pockets are just there to put anything that we might want to, photos, whatever. So we love you so very much. Happy Father's Day to you, Dad. So here we go.